Hello everyone, and welcome back to Carl is ONIT. Today has been a very long day. I finished work at 5:30 and the time right now is 8:43. So it's been a very long day for me today. Reason being is because I wanted to try and catch up on some extra work, get ahead of my current workload at the moment. Also, I wanted to give you guys a video too. So at the moment now, I'm currently editing one of my videos and that's about to drop in the next 5 minutes. So basically people, the grind doesn't stop. It's a Friday as well today, so I won't actually enjoy it. But anyway, that's what's been happening. What I was planning on doing today is actually to wrap these brand new BMW badges with some carbon fiber wrap. And I've also got a red one as well, so red and carbon fiber. So the equipment I have with me is my mom's hairdryer. Now this is a very essential part to do the wrapping. Now my mom's probably wondering, Carl, where the heck is my hairdryer? Mom, it's right over here. Sorry. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get straight onto doing the wrapping. Let's go. First of all, have a little description of this wrappers from Super Wraps. So they give you like an instruction of what to sort of do and how to sort of fit it on really. So I've had a read of that. So first of all, what we're gonna need to do is get one of the logos out, remove the packaging. You've got a plastic cover on it already, so you just remove this cover off it. Oh, that sound is so satisfying. So removed all the plastic all around it, protects it, left with the shiny fresh badge. Now what you're going to do next is take one of these. It's going to be pretty much these ones here. These ones are going to be, I believe, for your the hood of the car and also the boot. So yeah, we'll start with this one here. So essentially you need to remove the wrap from this paper at an angle. So you want to sort of get it bang on like this. Here we go, that's one piece on. Touch down on it, make sure it's all stuck together nicely. And then you have the piece on from there. Seat it up a bit more. There we go. That should pretty much do that one. So it feels nice and firm. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the next side now. So get it banged on. Here we go. And once you have it on, pretty much. There you go. And you have it bang on again, just like that. There we have it. So apply that on. Time to heat it up. Now with the wheels and the front and rear badge, I'm just going to keep it as black and white. So this is just a nice sort of addition really. Got it clean bang on. Can't see any of the blue edges. So basically just take your time with this and you pretty much get it bang on. So I'm just going to do the other four and speed up the video. Let's do this. So first of all, I'm going to say there's actually a link in the description for these wraps. There's also different colors as well. So it's not just carbon fiber and carbon fiber red. There's I think yellow, green, there's all sorts of different colors. So however, whatever color you guys prefer, feel free to sort of choose. But I chose black and red because I did a poll from my previous video very long time ago and you guys said black and red, so here's the black and red theme going on. Right, we're on our next piece now. So let's remove this amazing sounding cover.
this just would transform the car so well, because right now you've got badges on there that have been here for like 10 years and they look so absolutely worn. So yeah, it'll just transform the look of the car again. So let's do this again. With the black and the red, I'm actually going to do that inside the interior. So I'll do that on the installing video when I come to install it inside the car, and also on the yeah, so it's going to be only in the interior for the black and the red on the steering wheel. It's going to be black and white on the wheels, as well as the boot and the bonnet as well. So yeah. So you use this piece of paper really, that way you don't get the sticky stuff on your fingers, and so it doesn't lose its stick. Okay, so stickiness. So use the paper as much as you can. It's your best friend pretty much. Here we go. That's another one done. Well, just one side, time to do the other bit. Just position like that, and then we get straight onto it. Just another piece put on as well. Once you heat it up, it just sticks on permanently. It's extremely hard to get off. Anyway, you see how long this thing lasts for anyway. I think it will last us quite some time, because this feels like a quality wrap. It generally feels like a quality wrap, so I believe it will last for a good time. So that's badge 2 done. Absolutely clean. Can't really see any blue edges as well in there. Right, on to the next one. I think this is the best position to start it. If you do it in this edge, you can see how much space you have from the sides. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and see what the red piece looks like as well. So I'll give that a try. Put this one bang on. I'm not going to heat it up, I'm just going to play it on. That looks pretty cool actually. Let's do the other side. There we go. That actually looks pretty cool, to be honest. So, as we can see here, so I've tried out what it looks like with black and red. Looks pretty cool, to be honest. Black and white and the original badge. And all honesty, I like the black and red, but I think I'm just going to keep that theme inside the interior so it'll look absolutely banging, whereas outside is just black. So black and white will go with that. Say yin and yang. Anyway, let me just finish that off. So I'm going to take the bird off this bit here and then finish this one with the black and white. Let's do this. Right, time to do the final piece. Let's get it. Right, I think I will do it in this angle here, here, that. There we go. And to do the other piece as well on the other side here. So now the badges are officially finished. Looking absolutely amazing. Can't really see the blue edges hanging out of anywhere. So my advice is take your time with this, don't rush into it. But again, shout out to Babyliss for helping to I'd say dry my hair. Anyway people, that's part 1 of the video. Get ready for part 2. So part 2 would basically be me installing it on the boot as well as the bonnet, and also actually attaching these wheel caps on as well. So stay tuned for that. After that, there's gonna be much more nice mods coming soon as well. So stay tuned for that one too. But anyway people, have a good day. I need to go get some rest now. God knows what time it is. But anyway, the graft is real people. I'll see you soon. Peace.